As India gears up to welcome its 75th Independence Day, Colors Dance Deewane is all set to showcase a series of amazing performances in the presence of some of the nation's biggest heroes. One of them is the star athlete Mirabai Chanu, who recently made all of us swell with pride following her win at the Tokyo Olympics. Weightlifting Mirabai Chanu will make an appearance on Dance Deewane in the presence of judges Madhuri Dixit, Tushar Kalia, Dharmesh, host Bharti Singh, and hers to be a part of Independence Day celebrations. The contestants in the celebratory spirit will showcase their best performances as they move ahead in their journey. Apart from Mirabai, eminent sport personalities Kapil Dev, former all-rounder cricketer, Mohinder Amarnath, former first-class cricketer, Bhavani Dev, first Indian fencer to qualify for Olympics, and wrestler Priya Malik, who won a gold medal at the World Cadet Championship in Hungary, will also be part of the episode.